I don't remember the last time I used a product to this extent where it's like almost non-existent. Can you guess which company this is? So it's just a black eyeliner. I will demonstrate how good it works for underline. And the great thing about it is that it doesn't smudge. I like that it's like very, very dark black, like very pigmented. Now the only thing about it is that it's pretty thick and it's hard to sharpen it because it is on the softer side to make it like pointy where you can have a nice fine line here. Like so when you are trying to do like a winged eyeliner type of thing, it's very hard to achieve. But I still like to use it like right there, more in the corner, because that's where I usually get a lot of smudging. It's like so hard to do your makeup when you're using your phone as a mirror. Just a little bit, you see? Let's reveal what company it is. It is Persona. I received it in like one of the subscription bags and I like fell in love with it. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna try and repurchase it. I think it's sold at Ulta Beauty mainly. I don't think it's sold on Amazon or Sephora. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to stop by. I wonder if it's in the store or do I have to order it online? Okay, it is all done. I love it.